Assalamu alaikum everyone. How should you practice English? This is the questions, right, everybody has in mind. But the problem is, people in my country, especially the students, right, they try to go different types of center, they try to have private teachers, and they try to learn English through YouTube and some other means. But the problem is, right, students in my country, they don't try to practice English. So here, today, I'll give you some tips to practice English besides learning English properly, and that can really help you to improve your English anyway. Tip number one, you are learning through books, YouTube, coaching, private teachers. It doesn't matter what the way you're learning, but the problem is you got to practice every single day, each class. Maybe you're learning some words, structures, or maybe some system or conversation or presentations from any teacher or Facebook or any other means. But the problem is you don't try to practice every single day at home. That is why you can't improve your English anyway. So dear brothers and sisters, especially my followers and subscribers, my request is to you, right, you got to be serious about your practice. Don't focus on learning all the time. Try to focus on practice. Practice each day 5 minutes words, 5 minutes conversation, 5 minutes topic, 5 minutes question and answer, and 5 minutes on your pronunciation. That can really help you to improve your English anyway. Number two, what you can do. You can find out an interest group who is interested to practice English with you. It can be your cousin, your classmate, your Facebook friend, your neighbor, or anyone. Try to find out someone, right, who you can practice with. That can really help you to speak English properly or to improve your English anyway. You can do it two ways. You can call your friends, your cousin, your classmate or Facebook friends to make him or her interested to practice English every day, 10 to 20 minutes. That can really help you to improve your English. Or you can have some physical friends. It can be from your classmate, your neighbor, your cousin, or anyone. That can really help you as well. Number two. Number three, you must listen. Listen as much as really possible. If you listen, it can help you to improve your pronunciations anyway. It can help you to improve your British accent. It can help you to improve your US accent, right? So what you have to do, you have to listen to as much as really possible. It can be modern English, it can be English song, it can be BBC, it can be CNN, it can be drama. You have to have listening power as well to improve your pronunciations anyway. So number three, you have to have time for your listening as well. Okay, wherever you are, you can be in the bus, in the classroom, in the restaurant, or maybe you're waiting for someone, right? In that case, you just have to have a headphone that can be helping you to listen to you. Just listen to online news, listen to someone's English you like. That can really help you as well. Number four, what you have to do, you have to read a lot. If you read a lot, the words, the structures you are learning every single time, that can revise. You can revise it properly. Maybe you are learning a lot of words and you forget it as well. The reason is you are not on the practice. If you read those words, you can see, and it can be some types of practice. You are learning some structures and you can forget it as well. The problem is you are not on the practice. If you read, it can help you to practice. It can help you to revise your words, structures, and even the punctuation as well. And that can really help you to improve your writing as well. So read whatever you have. It can be English book, it can be English magazine, or it can be any you are interested in any reading. That can really help you as well. And number five, which is really important, practice along. Practice along, practice along, practice along, practice along. What does it mean? It means like you learned 5 questions. You practice yourself first in front of the mirror or without, if you are a poor man, if you are a poor woman, it doesn't matter. The problem is, right, you have to speak loudly. Speak out loud, right? Suppose you have learned 5 questions. What is your father's name? It's a wrong question. What is your father's name? Say the answer. My father's name is ... What is your mother's name? Wrong questions. Say yourself loudly. What is your mother's name? My mother's name is ... What do you do? Tumi ki koro? What do you do? I am a teacher, I'm a student. Speak yourself first before you talk to your friends, your cousin, your colleague. Where do you live? I live at here, I live at there. Okay, how many brothers and sisters do you have? Don't say how many brother and sister do you have. Correct yourself first. How many brothers and sisters do you have? Okay, even say the answer. I have. Don't be overconfident. I know all these questions, right? Maybe you can, but the problem is you are slow in speaking. Maybe you talk like this. How many brothers and sisters do you have? Don't try it. Revise it. Rehearsal it as much as really possible. Speak as much as really possible. How many brothers and sisters do you have? You are slow. It doesn't matter. You can learn slowly but surely. Today you are slow. Tomorrow you can be first. So what I'm trying to say, where do you live? Practice. Where do you live? Try to say it fluently. So be fluent. Whatever you have learned, practice is. What does your father do? Don't try to say it. Practice along. What does your father do? My father is a teacher. What does your mother do? My mother is a housewife. You understand what I'm trying to say? So you got to be fluent. How? Practice yourself first. Speak along. Rehearse as much as really possible before you talk to public place. So what is the problem right in the country? Students in my country, they learn from coaching, YouTube, private teacher, and they go to public place and they try to speak English. No, you may have some problems in your speaking. You may be slow. You are not fluent. Your structure is wrong. Your question is wrong. Your answer is wrong. Why? Because you are trying to practice in public place. Before you face public, practice along at your home. Ask questions yourself, answer. Make conversation. Where are you going? I'm going to college. And you? I'm going to university. Excuse me, may I talk to you? Yes, you can talk to me. What's your name? My name is this. What's your name? My name is that. So practice along. Make conversation. Make 5 conversation along loudly. Make 5 question answer along loudly. So when you practice along, so 50% work is done. Then you face your friends, your cousin, your colleague, your office, everywhere in the world, right? You try to go, it doesn't matter, dear brothers and sisters. So you got to listen to me what I'm trying to say today. So 5 T's can really help you to improve your English. If you really like this video anyway, try to do subscribe my channel and comment me, do you really like these tips or not? If you want to add some of the tips, right, that can really help the students right in the country, you can also add some comments right here. But don't forget to comment me and like and share on your Facebook. I'll see you in the new video with new tips some other time. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.